Howdy, partners. Alrighty. Well, so I said I'd post these on my website. Also, I thought I'd put these here. So if you want to just pause the video real quick, look at those. Those are those 2-column proofs. But honestly, guys, probably the most important thing we're going to be doing are these application problems. Hint, hint, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. You're going to be using these in your test/project. So these are important, guys. So we're going to be applying these. So, steps for word problems, guys. I know that you don't like these, but try to visualize what's going on. Name what you do know, what you can see is going on, and then go from there. Okay, these are basically just applying what we've been doing with similar triangles now, just in real life situations. Okay, so number 1, a tree 25 feet tall casts a shadow of 12 feet long. Brad is 6 feet tall. How long is his shadow? Okay, let's kind of depict what's going on. Let me go green because we know trees are kind of greenish. So let's my lovely tree. And we know that tree is how tall? 24 feet. And then it casts a shadow. Just call this shadowy blob. That is 12 feet long. Okay, I know those aren't proportional. But basically what we just did here is we made a triangle. Where we have one side that's 24, and then one is 12. So we can have that a right triangle, and then these guys are both going to be similar, and then we're going to have Brad, who's 6 feet tall. Heh, Mr. Rainey's taller. Gotcha, Brad. I have an Uncle Brad. He's definitely taller than 6 foot. And then Brad's shadow is going to be cast out some distance, but we don't know what that is. So Brad's going to have this triangle, definitely not proportional. These are going to be proportional, but I didn't draw them that way, because, yeah. So we have 6, then x. So since these triangles are going to be proportional, we can create a ratio. So let's go back, why not? Excuse me. Sorry. I don't know why I say excuse me. That's weird. Oh well. So we're going to have 24 is proportional to 6, so we can have 24 over 6, and that's going to be equal to 12 over x. Okay, now we just got to cross multiply. 24 times x gives us 24x, and then 6 times 12, let me see, that's 72. Now we just need to solve for x. So we divide by 24, divide by 24. So x is equal to 72 divided by 24. Anybody got that without a calculator? 3 feet. So his shadow is going to be 3 feet long. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to be doing with these ones. Let's go ahead. Let's go number 2. Okay. So let's go ahead and make these triangles. So we can, instead of maybe drawing the tree, let's just go ahead and make the triangles now. So a tree with a height of 4 meters, so that's going to be 4, casts a shadow that's 15 meters long. So maybe the sun is lower, don't know. So we got that triangle there. Then how high is another tree that casts a shadow 20 meters long? Okay, so now we don't know how high this tree is, but we do know it casts a shadow. How long? 20 meters. And so we're solving for that x. So now let's just make our proportions again. So we can do 20 divided by 15. That's equal to x over 4. Then we cross multiply. 4 times 20 gives us, anybody got a calculator? 3, 2, 1, 80. And then 15 times x gives us 15x. Okay, now let's finish this guy out, divide by 15. So then x is going to be equal to, oh, nope, that's not nice. That one you're going to have to do use a calculator for. So 80 divided by 15 gives us 5.33. Repeating, of course. And that's going to be meters, because we used meters up here. Alright guys, so probably the more important part of today's lesson, but probably the shorter part. Go ahead and give this last one a try, but ultimately with these word problems, 1, draw a picture. That way you can see what's going on. 2, draw your similar triangles. And 3, create your proportions. Create proportions and solve. Alright, thanks guys. Give this last one a try. Check out my website to see if you got it right, and we'll see you later.